And let's begin with breaking news coming in. There's been a massive controversy over images that came in today of superstar Allu Arjun also campaigning, not for his uncle Pawan Kalyan, but for YSRCP's assembly election candidate in Nandyal. It's triggered a big storm on whether Allu Arjun is backing the YSRCP. The superstar, amid this controversy, has come out and clarified, saying, "No, I'm not supporting any political party. I have extended a courtesy and a help to my friend who is the Nandyal candidate." Now, he has said that's all it is. There's no reading into it as any support for the YSRCP or otherwise. Let's play out for you Allu Arjun's reaction, where he puts an end to all of the controversy over his campaign for a YSRCP candidate.
ప్యూర్లీ నా కాల్. ఆయన వద్దన్నా కూడా అసలు ఎట్లా ఏం లేదు కదా, నాకు రావాలి, నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అంటూ ఎవరైనా ఉంటే వాళ్ళు ఏ ఫీల్డ్లో ఉన్నా ఏ పార్టీలో ఉన్నా నాకు పార్టీకి సంబంధం లేకుండా నా మనసుకు నచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉంటే ఎవరు ఏ ఫీల్డ్ అయినా ఉంటే నేను వచ్చి వాళ్ళని సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి. నాకు మనసుకు నచ్చితే చేస్తాం బ్రదర్.
Have Allu Arjun saying that whoever is my friend, if whichever field they're in, if they're in need, I will step up and help them in any way I can. It doesn't mean I'm backing or supporting any political party. So that's him setting the record straight. But let's show you some of those images really that will tell you what kind of massive fanfare erupted in Nandyal the moment Allu Arjun stepped foot there, and why it's led to such a controversy, because obviously it'll have opponents jittery seeing these images. Allu Arjun was there along with his wife Sneha Reddy, battling through massive crowds to get into the residence of the YSRCP Nandyal candidate, who is his friend. Silpa Kishore Reddy extended his thanks to Allu Arjun for being there to hold his hand literally from the balcony and show off the support that he was giving to his friend. They're known to be great personal friends, and that's why Allu Arjun turned up there in Nandyal to show his support for his friend. There were a lot of questions about whether people should read into it more, whether Allu Arjun is actually backing the YSRCP here in Andhra Pradesh. We played out for you that reaction where he's clearly stated that, "No, I'm not backing any political party." But thousands of people gathered there just to catch a glimpse of the superstar as he was sitting in the YSRCP candidate's residence, went up to the balcony, waved to all of them, held up his friend's hand to show his support once again. Now, even as that's happened, remember that Allu Arjun just 2 days back had actually put out on social media his support for his uncle, Pawan Kalyan, which is what's got everyone confused. But remember, even in that post, at no point has he endorsed the NDA, who Pawan Kalyan is in an alliance with. At no point has he endorsed Janasena. He's only heaped praise on his uncle, Pawan Kalyan. Let's get you a conversation that my colleague Abdul Bashir had with Allu Arjun's father-in-law to kind of try and understand why Allu Arjun decided to go to Nandyal and not perhaps to a Petapuram where his uncle is contesting.
One side you say everybody has to get united, you're supporting the Congress party. Allu Arjun is campaigning for YSRCP. Allu Suresh sends wishes to Pawan Kalyan. So what does his family...
Allu Suresh or Allu, they are family members. See, but they are not campaigning personally. Here, this guy Ravi is the friend of Mr. Allu Arjun. Last year also he has given this thing, but he is not campaigning for any political party. If he campaigns only for me, okay, because in relation definitely. So you see, Chiranjeevi also he has given only press. He is not campaigning any party. So this is
So Allu Arjun will campaign for the Congress party, is meant to say.
No, see, now everybody is campaigning for Congress, because now country, it requires a person who can take the public without any religion, caste and this thing. So who is that? Is the only Rahul Gandhi. So everybody is looking for Rahul Gandhi.